The decorator pattern adds new responsibilities to an object dynamically by wrapping it in another object sharing the same interface. Watch a plain coffee cup gain layers: milk, sugar, whip. Imagine a coffee shop selling espresso with optional add-ons. If every combination gets its own subclass, you get espresso, EspressoWithMilk, EspressoWithMilkAndSugar, and on and on. Each new add-on nearly doubles the class count, so the hierarchy explodes into rigid, unmaintainable code. What if we replace every subclass with a single beverage class? Just add boolean flags: hasMilk, hasSugar, hasWhip. The cost method fills with conditionals, adding a little for each active flag. But watch it swell. Every new add-on edits this shared class, and customers can't stack the same add-on twice. Let's start with the decorator solution. We define a beverage interface with cost and description. Espresso is the base component. Then an abstract condiment decorator also implements beverage and wraps one beverage. Milk, sugar, and whip extend condiment decorator. Each adds its own charge to cost and its own word to description, then delegates to the wrapped beverage. Espresso stays inside as every layer wraps it. Here's the diagram. Beverage is the component, our core interface. Espresso implements it as the concrete component. Condiment decorator, the decorator, also implements beverage while holding a beverage reference. That's the wrapping link. Milk, sugar, and whip extend condiment decorator as concrete decorators, ready to wrap any beverage. Compare the two styles. The old way sets boolean flags on one beverage, then leans on conditionals inside cost. Brittle and rigid. The new way wraps the order layer by layer. Whip around sugar, around milk, around espresso. Just call cost and description, and the totals compute automatically. Starting from espresso, each layer adds its own cost and text. Wrap an object to add behavior without touching its class. Stack decorators to mix responsibilities at runtime. Open for extension, no subclass explosion. Remember, component, decorator, concrete decorator.